Alright guys, it's your Madam Pecco all the way from Mercy Divine Properties, and right about now I just want to clear something very important. A lot of people think that you must become a multi-millionaire before you'll be able to invest in real estate. If you're one of those people that have such mindset, please erase it totally from your mind, okay? So what you need to do is to sacrifice from some of the money you have right now, pull it out, especially the one that is just resting and sleeping in the bank, and you're not getting interest. Rather, they are deducting it on daily basis. You pull such money out to invest in real estate, and you don't need to wait until you have extra. No. Sometimes you pull out some money from the money that you are supposed to use to get some things that are not necessary. Your unnecessary wants, okay? Get only what is necessary, as in your basic needs. Once you have them, you can get the rest money and invest in real estate. And after a while, give it a year, 2, 3, 4, 5 years time, you will see that that money will turn to a big investment for you, and you have good profits that you will use to either put it inside another investment or building or any other thing. Okay, so that's what I want to remind you today. And don't forget that we are still running our promo at Mercy Divine Properties. The CEO's birthday is on the 26th of this July 2023, and she has given a discount of 500,000 naira for anyone who is getting one plot of new Banana Highland from us within this period, okay? And this promo is going to be ending on the 31st of this July, so we just have few weeks left, and all you need to do is to call Madam Pecco Africa on 09034296519 to get your own plot of new Banana Highland. Okay, if you want good investment, you can get 3 plots, 5 plots, 10 plots. Let's make it 20 plots. How do you see that? The higher the plot, the higher the profit on return on investment. You understand that part, man? Your Madam Good News is always here, okay? I will always be giving you good news from my goodness. You get that part? All right, I'll be waiting for you, and the number to call again is 09034296519. Bye.